Hi, I'm Sid Hoda. I'm the general manager of a group called the Interactive Services Solution in Cisco. We've got a new solution that really thinks about how consumers shop, how travelers want more real-time information as they walk through an airport or a subway station, and something beyond just the phone. So the idea here is digital interactions are defining our experiences in these places. So when you walk around this event called Digital Signage Expo, I don't like the word signage anymore. It's not about the signage or just content, it's about interactions, digital interactions for you when you travel, when you shop, when you're doing your banking, etc. So our new solution called iServices as a nickname, here's an example of it, does just that. It delivers interactions depending on whether you're traveling or you're a shopper, and makes it more interesting, more entertaining, etc. So for example, if you're in a store, one of the challenges are being able to show you all my products, letting you browse and see things in a very personal way. So now we have applications that actually are going to show you what's called the endless aisle concept in retail. For example, nice color images, etc. Go to the next screen.
You can actually find whether you want a nightlife or you want an office, and then you can select the
So for example here, this is how an aisle might look when you're shopping in a store, and it becomes a virtual representation of that aisle, right? You can actually see colors, sizes, etc. So we're driving experience. It's not about the signage or the content, it's about the experience. Now, there's two stories here. The one story is delivering a more compelling, interesting experience to travelers, shoppers, etc. But you know what? If you walk around an event like this, there are always great examples with an install base of one. The real story is not just what's pretty on the outside, but making it scalable and really robust on the inside behind the wall so it actually works in real life. So one of our launch customers are New York subways. We're running 24/7 since September in New York. Now, why does it work well on the inside? Why is it durable and scalable, etc.? I'll have Nitesh, our CTO, tell you about that, what the technology behind this.
Thanks, Ed. So what we are launching and what is driving the screen is this new Cisco 4600 player that we have launched. It's a ruggedized, non-moving parts interaction player that has two video outputs, VGA and HDMI, 4 USB inputs. It has an Ethernet connector as well as the Wi-Fi connected to it. So the idea here is you take any existing web content and it's ready for 1920 by 1080 rendering and interaction. Like in an example of New York City MTA, as Sid said, this information is coming off of their website today, which provides a real-time train status, real-time elevator status, and also gives you an ability to look at digital maps which are real-time available right now. Not only without doing any coding, but also looking at browsing those maps in real time using the scrolling that we are used to do in an iPad kind of world. Not only that, if you are stuck and you still want to talk to someone, you can actually initiate a video call between the video client that's built in right here into this kiosk, and it rings our video phone. So it is an end-to-end video experience for you to have a call and speak to the agent and say, I need information, how do I get to that place, and get rolling. Not only that, you could actually look at even connecting trains coming from Atlantic Terminal or Penn stations for Bowling Green so that you get the information and plan your travel. It's about web application, content done specifically for this, and also allowing the persons with some real needs to be able to access this information, which is key for serving a public entity. This platform, is a stateless web platform, so if you see your content on a standard browser, it'll play it here, it'll scale it to 1920 by 1080 resolution. Here you go, sir.
So what do we have here? We have a technology that thinks about how consumers shop, how travelers need information to make their experience better, etc. So the experience we expect now when using your fingers to interact, etc. But behind that, a very robust piece of hardware with an 8.5-year mean time between failure with scalability in mind. So not just does it look pretty, it's actually pretty smart and pretty strong. So thanks for your time. Again, I'm Sid Hoda from Cisco, Nitesh Trikha from Cisco. Welcome to our booth. We are in booth number 1101. 1011, sorry about that. Come by, push some buttons, take a look, and we hope it makes your experience better here at the show as well. Thank you.